friends, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Hope you are doing good. Today let's see what to feed your baby Arwana. நீங்கள் என்னோட 2 weeks back 3 weeks ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டிருந்தேன். Like I got an surprise gift from one of my friend from Chennai. Baby Arwana gift கிடைச்சது. So he was almost 3 to 4 inches when I received. Now I don't know whether you can see him from here. Anyways, after my video I can zoom in there. So I was very skeptical to keeping him actually. So he was my first Arwana. You won't believe me, I never kept any Arwana. I fantasize them, I love them, but I never thought of keeping it. It was and as it was a gift, so I couldn't deny it also. So I thought of keeping him and raising him well. So luckily he's growing good. He's almost 5 inches. It's a good body size right now. It's going good. So the main topic எதுக்கு கொண்டு வந்தேன்னா, I was very much struggling. Initially I was struggling what to feed him because it was very tough to get him feed. ரொம்பவே கஷ்டமாக இருந்தது எனக்கு because he was very small to at that time and was scared of water parameters too. So I was ரொம்ப கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது, என்ன ஃபீட் பண்ணும், வாட்டர் டெம்பரேச்சர் சொன்னோம். நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொண்டு வந்த நாள் ஜஸ்ட் வாட்டர் அக்கமடேஷன் பண்ணேன். I didn't do much of circus like adding up of heater, that just put on small top filter so that necessary basic filtration is done. So that was the basic principle. Lighting is secondary. Anyways, this room is well lit actually with a proper normal sunlight. So I think this was much enough for the Arwana to go with. Anyways, he was too small, so I kept it in the 2 feet tank. I think maybe 1 month or another 2 months I have to move him from here. I'm actually planning a pond for him, so I can move him to a pond where he can grow very beautiful and bold enough. So coming to the topic, what to feed. So as soon as I received him, as I told, he was very very small. So I don't think any of the pellets, he was ready to take the pellets, but basic human tendency tried feeding them with the pellets which already I had, like Tetra Bits or Ikari sinking chick seeds or Ikari floating chick seeds, but he never tried them. Kita kuda poda kita. So then I tried feeding him the brain shrimp, frozen brain shrimp kurta. He was taking on good. Then bloodworms started giving them, then good. And I do have a pond in upstairs, so mosquito larvas irukum. I used to collect the larvas and start giving him. But this is a time taking process, so you have to be at home always taking care of him. You have to feed him 3 to 4 times a day, so you cannot do this in practically. Sunday or Saturday we can do when we are free, but weekdays it's very tough. So it was very mandatory for me to train him with the pellets. So it was very tough actually. Yes, I don't know if you have the Arwanas that already trained when you get from the shop, but training a baby Arwana to eat into pellets is a hectic job according to me. Maybe some may would have found it very easy, but it was very tough for me. So what I started doing was I did a small experiment with, I will go in the order wise what I did. First I started feeding him the food by JBL. This is the food by JBL, and this is for Floweron. And you can see just normal pellets. They were just normal pellets, and these were not floating. So that was one of the big headache, because Arwanas do keep on roaming top and they do neglect the food when it hits the bottom. So just tried with him, and he was very happy with the taste. I guess they started eating them. Very less. I mean, if I throw around 10 to 12 pellets, he used to take just 2 or 3 pellets. So I came to know, okay, he's trying to get it used to the taste, but he was neglecting it, was very clearly. But I wanted to make him eat this. So I stopped the feeding bloodworms, artemia, and also mosquito larvae, and I made him forcefully convert into this. Yes, after a week or 10 days, he started eating this, but this was not meant for Arwana. This was meant for Floweron. So I didn't want to give him some kind of vitamin or protein deficiency. So I then moved on to the next version, that was the shrimps. Then I started feeding with the shrimps. Actually I started neglecting in between. Then I thought, okay, day by day got used to it. And don't go with this box. This is the normal, no brand ones, but I do suggest to go with the branded ones, where you have proper shrimp content, protein content. Then this is our bakwas. So next I went with the one more major brand, that was Tayo. This is actually awesome guys, because the Chevron food by JBI, the growth was not so good, but as soon as I started feeding him, he's grown very tremendous for this taste. And also, if you can see, he's very used up to this and is happily gulping it. So these are the another alternative, and I'm go for another alternative is the Arwana food by Inchgold. Actually, the pellet size is too big, so I'm waiting for him to grow at least almost 6 to 7 inches, so that the pellets he can take them easily into his mouth in a single gulp. So these are the alternate guys. So I don't think much more here. Yes, because I've already trained them pellet. So yes, be patient. You will definitely start taking pellets, but until then, keep the necessary foods as a supplement like brine, shrimp, artemia, because you cannot force him always. Forceful directly to take him pellets. He will go starving and he will die. So definitely don't do that mistake. Keep a supplement food. Keep trying your permutation and combination. So once you can feed brine shrimp, next day you can feed the pellets, so that you will get used to it. That there is even the pellets are some kind of food for him. So be patient, guys. That's it. I'm signing up for today. If any more further details, can you do comment? I will be happy to respond back. And yes, as I told, I'll be moving him into pond in few days. I definitely keep you posted on his growth. And if I use any necessary additional foods, I will also keep you posted on it. I hope this video was useful to you and useful for all the Arwana lovers and Arwana keepers and the people who are intending to keep Arwana in future. That's it, guys. Signing off. Yours Thor. Kindly do subscribe and share the content if you liked it. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Vanakkam.